Hello everyone, Juhi this side. Today I'm going to present on the topic funding agencies of self-help groups. Self-help groups or SHGs are a small groups of people, mostly women, come together to save money regularly and support each other financially. But SHGs do not depend on only one source of money. They receive funds from different institutional or non-institutional sources. The sources help them grow, become financially stable, and support member in starting a small business. Some major funding sources are member saving, commercial bank, NABARD, government scheme, NGOs, microfinance institution, cooperatives. So this combination of different funding agencies make the SSGs model strong and sustainable. This slide explains the most important source of funding, which is member saving. Member saving are the foundation of every SSG. Each member contributes a small amount weekly or monthly. Even though the amount is small, when all members save together, it becomes a strong fund. The saving pool is used to give loans to members who need money for emergency needs, education, health expense, starting a small business. So this system builds financial discipline, trust among members, a sense of ownership. So now let's understand the saving cycle shown in this diagram. First, members save regularly, then the saving pool grows. From this pool, internal lending happens. Members use the loan for income generating activities. When income increase, they can save more. So this become a positive cycle of growth and empowerment. This is why we say member saving are the backbone of the SSGs. Now, let's talk about institutional support, starting with the commercial bank. Commercial bank are major lender to SSG. These include public sector bank, private bank, regional rural bank. Banks provide loan to SSG under priority sector lending, also known as PSL. This means banks are required to support sector like agriculture, rural development, and weaker section of society. Through bank loan, SSG can expand businesses, purchase equipment, increase production, improve income level. So bank help SSGs move from small internal saving to larger financial growth. I will talk about National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, also known as NABARD. NABARD is the apex institution for rural development in India. It plays a very important role in SSG movement. It started the SSG Bank Linkage Program, which connect SSG directly with banks. NABARD does not directly give loans to SSG. Instead, it first provide refinance support to bank. Second, conduct training programs. Third, sets quality standards. Fourth, monitor SSG performance. So we can say NABARD act as the backbone of the SSG financial system in India. Now let's understand this slide. Here, the explain the role of NGO and voluntary organization in supporting self-help groups. NGO play a very important role at the grassroots level. They act as a catalyst for change, which means they help bring positive transformation in rural communities. So first is group formation. NGO identify communities where people need financial support. They motivate and mobilize members, especially women, to form SSG. In the early stage, SSG need guidance, and NGO help them understand how to save money regularly and work as a team. Second is capacity building. NGO provide training program. They teach members financial literacy, bookkeeping, leadership skills, and even how to start a small businesses. This training increase the confidence and knowledge of SSG members. Third is ongoing monitorship. NGO continuously monitor and guide the group. They solve problem and provide support whenever need, but they do not create permanent dependency. Their goal is to make SSG self-reliant and independent. So overall, NGO act as a facilitator and bridge builders. They connect SSG with banks and government scheme and help them grow sustainability. Coming on the government scheme. In this slide, I will explain how government schemes supports SSG and promote rural development. The government of India play a very important role in strengthening SSG through different livelihood missions. The first major scheme is National Rural Livelihood Mission, also known as NRLM. This scheme was started to reduce poverty in rural area by increasing the formation of SSG. It focuses mainly on women empowerment and financial inclusion and income generation. The second scheme is Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Rural Livelihood Missions, also called DAY-NRLM. This is an important version of NRLM that target poor and communities across India. Um, it helps SSD by providing financial and institutional support. Apart from a national scheme, there are also state livelihood missions. Each state design its own program based on the local need, resource, and economic condition. Now let's understand how this scheme actually help SSA. They provide a revolving fund which increase the group's working capital, subsidies which reduce the financial burden, interest which lower the interest rate on loan taken by SSC. Because of this support, SSC can easily access credit, start small businesses, increase their income, and improve their standard of living. So overall, government scheme act as a strong support system that help SSC grow and contribute the rural. So, moving on the slide, microfinance institution and cooperative. So, microfinance institutions or MFIs are specialized financial institution. They provide quick loan, flexible repayment option, small credit product. Sometimes they lend directly to SSG and sometimes to individual member based on group guarantee. They help improve assess the credit, especially where bank assess is limited. So cooperative and SSG federation are member-owned institution. They provide bulk loan, insurance support, collective bargaining power. When multiple SSG join together in the federation, they become stronger and can negotiate better with banks and market. So in this slide, we can see the complete funding ecosystem of self-help group. SSG are supported by multiple sources working together. First, member saving. From a form of foundation, they build financial discipline and provide internal lending support. Second, banking institutions provide formal loan under priority sector lending to help SSGs grow their businesses. Third, NABARD support the system by providing refinance training and quality standard. Fourth, NGOs help in forming group, training members and guiding them in the early stage. Fifth, government program provides subsidies, revolving fund and interest benefit. Finally, MFI and cooperative offer flexible loan and additional financial support. So overall, the SSG model works successfully because of this strong and connected funding system with support from savings, banks, government and institutions. SSG become financially independent and help in rural development and poverty reduction. Thank you.